Hey, it's Linda with the Electric Bike Shop. I just want to do a quick run through of the B26 fat, which is kind of similar to the B27. So the B26 has a 26 by 3 inch fat tire, and the B27 is a B27.5 inch wheel. So it's 27.5 wheel by 2 tires. So they're both great for trails and stuff like that. And okay, so I just want to show you how to turn it on. So we have the power button here. Well, let's just go to the battery. So the battery is seamlessly integrated into the frame. Okay, you can't even tell. So I'm just gonna pull this out real quick. Whoops, that wasn't good. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this. I'm gonna show you how to pop the battery out. So to the right, just pops up like that. See that? Comes right out. You don't ever really have to take it out because the charger port is right here under this little. It's a 48 volt coaxial right there. So that's how you charge it. You turn it on, just the power button here for 2 seconds. Just hold it down and it boots up. To clear your trip, you can press the power button and the minus, and that clears the trip. So we're gonna turn on the backlight display. You hold the plus down for 2 seconds. And so this is like your dashboard, just like the other bikes. It's got the speed, the trip, military time, 9 levels of assist, all the way up to 9, which is 100% motor power. And level 1 is 20% motor power. So that's how people get 50, 60 miles per charge with these bikes. There's your battery bars. Okay, so your throttle is always active. Even in level 0, your throttle works. This is a class 3 bike. It's programmable to 28 miles an hour. And it's got the full light. So this red button turns on your headlight, your tail light, brake lights, and turn signals. So, right is rear brake. And it's got hydraulic disc brakes. This here is an upgrade. They're Shimano proprietary to Bagibike. They're 48 volt, 500 watt with a 13 amp hour battery. A lot of power if you need it, but also very efficient and quiet, and you can go really far with these, so really cool. 7-speed, like push button. It's these two fingers. So this is gonna go down, it's gonna go up. So 7's your hardest gear, 1 is your easiest. So you're gonna push down to get easier and up. A lot of people can never figure that out. So down, up, just these two fingers. And I want to show you about the handlebars. So the handlebars adjust easily right here. There's a little arrow, you can kind of loop around, little arrow pointing backwards. So I'm going to push that slot, pull this up, right? And this just, you can put this wherever you want it. You can tilt your handlebars at any time, which is really cool because sometimes in the beginning of the ride, you have them one way, and then at the end you're tired, you want them another. It also has a huge front fork suspension, adjustable. So people always ask me, what does this do? So to the right, locks it out, right? So that means it just takes away the suspension, it makes it more stiff. And to the left, opens it up, which increases the suspension, gives you more travel. Okay, so the front wheel is a quick release, and I don't know, it's got a suspension seat post right here, super heavy duty setup. This frame is like just custom, super strong frame. It's a cargo bike, so you're not gonna have any problems with the frame ever. It's got the suspension seat post, and I think that's about it. But everybody who buys these bikes from us, they call us later and say we should have charged more money because they are awesome, because they have everything. So it's a great choice, really good to consider, and thanks for watching. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.